Alright, looks like we got a tree across the road, which ain't very good. I think I'm gonna try to come down here real quick with the tractor, see if I can cut that and at least get it out of the road for now. Hopefully it didn't hurt the fence over here too much. Yeah, it looks like it mangled the fence up pretty good. I'll see if I can get a hold of that owner over there. But yeah, that's gonna have to get moved. Hopefully no more come down. Well, that was fun. So I think it displayed a couple of principles though. That one guy in the truck that stopped and helped, if I hadn't been sitting there working on it already, A, he probably wouldn't have had everything he needed to get it done, or probably just would have turned around. That's something I tell the kids all the time. If you're doing something and you're trying, people stop to see that, they're gonna help usually. So that was awesome. My follow that came down, got that last big trunk out of the way. This little guy, yeah, it would have got the job done. His steel, that was the guy in the white truck, pulled out a little steel, actually about the same size as this, not maybe a little shorter. Yeah, this does not match gas. But what I like about this, I hadn't used it in 5 months, 4 months, I don't know what it's been. And it fired right up the first try with the battery, because that's what electric motors do. But yeah, so anyways, we got it done, got it knocked out, road's clear again. So, good job. I think the tractor and the grapple did pretty good. A couple of those chunks were all it wanted, but you know, I didn't buy it for moving big trees out of the big logs out of the road. I got it for getting stuff done, you know, around the backyard and our little farmstead. So that's it for now. Have a good one.